16 again.
He just wants to burn those tires up. Hey, how's everyone doing? We're just gonna make a quick video here on the Vet. We're just finishing up the Smog delete on this car. Excuse me. If you look down in here, yeah, can we see anything? You can see I have JB Weld and all the smog pump, whatever those tubes were that went into the exhaust manifold. And what's happening is these the JB Weld, it is popping out. So it's not a good, it'll get you home, it'll get you for like a little while, but they keep popping out and you got to put new JB Weld in, and that's just a pain in the ass. So we're going to weld them up today. So we're over here. And I got all this ready to go on this side. Basically, I punched all the JB Weld out of all these. And that's it. And I'm just going to hit it with the welder, do a little tacking on top of each one of these tubes right here, and that should be it. Problem solved. So here we go. Let me go get these welded up and I'll do a quick follow-up. I'm not going to show how to weld or anything like that. It's pretty self-explanatory if you got a welder. So all right, so we'll be back with the final results. Like I said, it'll be a short video. Bye-bye. All right, we're going to just wrap this up real quick. I just took it for a ride. Everything's all nicey nice. Even that one back there. It was fairly easy to get to. Just got to pull the spark plug wires out of the way. This side's done. This one gave me a little bit of a problem, this front one, which was because it leaked when I first started up. Then I welded it. Then I had started up again. It still leaked. So I just globbed it on that one. But anyways, we're done here. I just wanted to make a quick update on this. And yeah, we'll see what's next. I'm not sure yet. See what kind of parts come in next, and then we'll go from there. But otherwise, she's running pretty good, driving pretty good. Been my daily driver now, and yeah, love it. But there's more work to do. We got to make her faster, so let's see what we can do. Alrighty, bye-bye.
Here, get on there.
I got you in the shot, sorry.
She'll do burnouts and leaves now. Not bad, Lou D. A little broken there.
What happened?
It's got some scuffs on the hood here.
Shut that off for me.
That's broken. Yeah, overall not bad though. Ride's nice. Mercedes, y'all.